Loren from the Mini Roy and Loren Morning Show on Kiss 95.1. I am hanging out here today with some pretty incredible people, and this is all for Realtors Care Day. One of those really special people is Todd Long. And Todd, tell us a little bit about the Habitat site in Mooresville and the Serenity House and the work you guys are doing to help better our communities.
Sure, yes. The first one is with the Habitat for Humanity, and it's a great story. A single mom, 3 kids. They're living in a situation now that there's a lot of violence around them, and this project is allowing that family to get out of that environment and get into a house of their own. And then our other one is kind of a special project. We're working on the Serenity House, and they've had a little flooding issue in their basement, and we are going in and basically just making their facility more usable for them.
And that's what Realtors Care Day is all about. It's helping people. And if you want to get involved, the foundation has an annual Strides for Shelter 5K run walk on June 22nd. It's Loren from Realtors Care Day on Kiss 95.1.